community. My name is Shahrukh. So I'm sure in the earlier videos you have seen usage of shapes where you can just drag and drop it. But with Bytello Class, you can make it even more interesting. Just go to the Bytello Class in your app and there click on shapes. So in case you're clicking a circle, now I select a circle, right? After this, I can fill the gradient with the different colors. And at the same time, I can change the color of the border according to my wish. So in case you want to duplicate it, just drag and drop. So it is as simple as that. With this, you'll be able to make much better circles compared to the ones you're making earlier. Thank you.